Hi guys, Heather Hooker here from thefitmomtribe.com. I'm also Heather Hooker Keto if you're on Instagram. So check me out there and make sure that you subscribe to my channel for more keto content. I'm always sharing tips, recipes with you guys. Today I have an awesome keto cookie made with almond flour. It smelled delicious. When it was baking in the oven, it smelled just like a traditional butter cookie. This recipe has no cream cheese in it. I think it would also be a really good base for chocolate chip cookies. You could turn these into chocolate chip cookies easily by getting Lily's chocolate chips and just stirring a few in or pressing a few in on the top depending on how you want it to look. And you could also make peanut butter cookies by adding in a little bit of powdered peanut butter. I also would love to make keto cookie sandwiches with these cookies with either fresh whipped cream in the middle, sugar-free peanut butter or almond butter, or even a sugar-free keto-friendly Nutella. I'm gonna show you exactly how to make these easy, low-carb cookies with almond flour, and remember to click in the link. I have a free gift for you to help you on your keto journey.